There's nothing like a new pair of shoes, but keeping them looking fresh is difficult and cleaning them is even harder. Now you can save time and money with the Kleva Clean Sneaks, the fast rechargeable shoe cleaning miracle that helps make your old shoes look like new, and it's so easy. Just add the powerful fast foaming shampoo, then let the washing wand do the hard work for you to easily wipe away the built-up dirt, scuffs and grime in no time. The secret's in the low-speed, high-torque, cyclonic scrubbing head that gently agitates and dislodges the toughest of dirt at 300 RPM, but is gentle enough not to damage the shoe or sole. Perfect for leather, suede, nylon, canvas, nubuck and more. And whether your shoes are $50 or $500, Kleva Clean Sneaks is guaranteed the fastest, easiest way to make an old shoe look like new or your money back. Easily clean football and soccer boots before the next game. Polish office and school shoes. Make that old bag and belt like new. And no need to buy batteries. Rechargeable and portable. It can easily scrub, clean and polish up to 12 pairs on one charge.